Everyone, welcome to Daily John number 101, doing Electrode, the bigger Voltorb, if you will. Okay, so Electrode, right? First of all, if you have not read the Pokemon Adventure manga and you're a fan of Pokemon, you have to read it. I don't quote me on this, but I'm pretty sure the creator of Pokemon said that it is the closest thing to his original vision for the series. It's phenomenal, like highly, highly recommend. But there is a ludicrous, eccentric character that has an electrode that they ride on it. Like this electrode is just like rolling underneath them, and I guess they just like hover over it. I have no idea how but they do. They just ride around on an electrode, and it's just the most ludicrous things. Like this isn't like a psychic character that's like levitating above this electrode. He's just like sitting on this ball, and then there it goes. And I have no idea how it works. It's never explained, I think, in the canonity of the comic, which is especially weird because that's part of why Pokemon Adventure is so good, is because it goes into all of the little details and all of the things mentioned in the Pokedex and everything, and like really creates a world where all of these Pokemon and their super unique abilities like are actually a thing and taken into account in the story and everything. So speaking of Pokedex entries, by the way, read Electrodes for the first time today, and found out that y'all know how electrodes explode. Apparently that's just a thing they do when they're bored. They just like, nothing to do today, I guess I'll just just like blow up. So not sure exactly how that works. I was confused about that as a kid too. Like how do these things, Voltorb and Electrode both, and there are several Pokemon that can learn self-destruct, and like how do they not die? I guess Pokemon just don't die, maybe. I don't know, unless it's that one terrible movie, but we don't talk about that one. Anyway, there's Electrode. Thank you all for tuning in. Boy.